As he continues his crusade against corruption and government, Senator Panfilo Lacson would rather not be associated with any political color. He told this on Twitter after a netizen called him dilawan for criticizing presidential spokesperson Harry Roque. Lacson tweeted back, the senator earlier called Roque out for saying this to government critics.
Let today's event be recorded in the annals of Philippine history as another first of the Duterte administration. And to his critics, I have only this to say, manigas kayong lahat.
Lacson posted this on Twitter.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.